So now, when it comes to collision of particle, these two are the governing equation. Now, first is simply conservation of momentum. That is, what it says is, see, the symbol u is associated with initial velocity, symbol v is associated with final velocity. And what this equation is saying is sum total of initial momentum is equal to sum total of final momentum. Now, the two particles have masses m1 and m2. Their initial velocities are u1 and u2. Their final velocities after collision are v1 and v2. Now, a statement will go like this, that in absence of any external force, before and after collision, the momentum, sum total of momentum will be same. And the second equation says that v2 minus v1 means velocity of separation divided by u2 minus u1, that is velocity of approach, is constant and is equal to minus e, where e is called coefficient of restitution. Now, if the impact or this collision is elastic, then E is 1, and if it is plastic, then E is 0. Now, all the problems which we are going to do, we will be able to solve using these two equations. Now, the type of problems are going to be like this. You see, two particles will be moving along the same straight line, either in same direction or in opposite direction, and we will be asked some questions on that. Then second type, one particle will move along straight line, other particle will come along inclined line, and they will have what is called oblique collision. Third is, it will be impact, what you say is direct impact on the second body, which is of infinite mass. So it is like ball hitting a ground or ball hitting a wall. See, compared to the mass of the ball, the mass of earth or mass of wall, all these will be infinite. So it is a direct collision with body of infinite mass. That's the third type of problem. Fourth is oblique impact with body of infinite mass. Body comes here like this and goes out like this. Then there are problems on pendulum. You see, pendulum bob is treated as a particle, then one pendulum may hit other, one pendulum may hit wall, a bullet may hit pendulum, or pendulum may hit a particle on the ground. Then there could be going to be spring or pile type of problems, meaning a particle will fall on a spring and then together, the spring, you can say dashboard and the particle together, they will go down and compress the spring. And same principle is applied to what is called pile used in constructions, where this is a pile driver hammer and this is a pile, and by letting it fall, the pile goes down. So this is the application of this collision problems. We are going to do some problems on this. And then there is a projectile. Let us see, particle starts from here, goes on the ground, here's the ground. But during this travel, the motion is projectile motion. Then it has oblique impact, it goes up. Maybe it hits the roof, again there will be oblique impact and it comes down. So these type of problems. So you see, those two equations which were there in the first slide will enable us to solve all these type of problems, and these problems will be taken up in our subsequent videos. Thank you.